Welcome to GiveMeApps here at Mall, the #1 independent app store, GiveMeApps.com. Today we're checking out Battery Pro by Tintin for the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. This app goes way beyond the readout on your device's display, which just shows percentage. This gives you lots of important information about your battery's overall health. It'll also show you how your device will run, how much battery would be remaining if you ran certain apps on your device. Even more so, if you opt for the Pro version, it will allow you to access all of this information via a widget on your Today's widget. In any case, let's open up the app. When you open it up for the first time, you get information on how to add that widget. Let's show you how that works again. We're going to get out of here. We'll get rid of that app, and we'll fire it up again. And it's not showing it now, but it shows you how to add the widget to your device's display. All you need to do is go to the Today widget and press Edit, and then that widget will be accessible to you from the Today widget. In any case, here's information about your device. As you can see, it says General. Take a look at that. You get your device name, the host name, the screen resolution, all this information here, operating system information, the OS type, OS version, the build, revision, safe boot, all of this stuff. All that information is there. So this is useful, of course. You got information about your CPU. Take a look at what's going on. The CPU usage is all displayed here. And of course, you got the CPU name, Apple A8, Apple M8 Motion, and it goes down, architecture, physical cores, logical cores, and etc., etc. You have information about your GPU. We mentioned this in the beginning of the review here. And of course, you have your memory. Take a look at that. Total memory, 2 gigabytes. And you have your memory type, wired memory, active memory, inactive memory, and it goes on and on and on. And of course, you have information about your storage. This is a 64 gig device. We're going to get out of there, all right? So you have your device information here. You have your test information. Take a look at that. Your screen, camera, speaker, microphone, headphone, flashlight, volume button, vibration, tap, device will vibrate, proximity sensor. If you go for the screen test, screen checking, tap to change screen color. It's pretty cool. Reminds me of the old 8-bit devices. And of course, why you downloaded this app would be to get information about your battery. We're going to go straight ahead there. Take a look. It says battery health perfect. We just purchased this iPad mini, which is why it says perfect there. And of course, you see that it's 5,300 milliamp hours. You also have your current capacity, so it's a little below that, 99%. You have your voltage, temperature. You have your source, amperage. It's telling you what it is being plugged into. At the moment, it's not being plugged into anything. It's not plugged into anything, so that's why it says unknown. And of course, time remaining. Take a look at these features here. 3G, you have 8 hours and 48 minutes. You have Wi-Fi, if that's on. Video, 9 hours and 48 minutes. Audio, 78 hours and 24 minutes. So if you just purchased an iOS device just to listen to music, well, you're going to get your money's worth. And of course, standby would be 29 days. You can keep this device on for a month. All right, and we are zoomed out quite a bit, but you get all of the information right then and there. If we zoomed in with our camera a bit, we'll do that. You can see that a little better. All right, and once again, we did say battery health was perfect, current capacity, you get voltage, temperature. Temperature right now is 31.17 Celsius. You get that information right there, 34.16. It's going down, as you can see. And we'll zoom back out. You guys got a taste of that. And there we are, still in focus, which is great. And we're going to move on. We have our share area, invite friend, rate and review, battery life page, feedback by email. And of course, you have your help area, iOS widget. This is what we were talking about in the beginning. Select edit button to add battery life widget. Note, battery widget is only available on Pro version, so you need the Pro version to take advantage of that. And you get some more information by scrolling over here. You see it says add widgets and widgets ready to use. Now, we're going to show you what the widget looks like so you know exactly what it is that we're talking about. So we're going to get out of this app for a moment. We are going to show our Today widget. And if we scroll over, take a look at that. Right there at the bottom, battery life. You can see it right there. It says show more, show less. And you would get information on the vitals of battery life. All right. So guys, this once again is Battery Pro. This is by Tintin. It's for the iOS platform. We're talking about the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. It does need iOS 7, so even if you have an older device, you should be good to go. And by the way, you need to know that the main features, once again, battery wear level detection, overview of in-depth battery and charger raw data, overview of your device's actual runtimes, all of your device information displaying, provide device hardware checking feature, and gorgeous graphic user interface. This is all according to the listing. So once again, guys, this is battery life. We are using the Pro version. And of course, with the Pro version, no ads, and you get extra information with the Today widget. We hope you enjoyed this, guys. This is Battery Pro. This is for the iOS platform. You are checking out a YouTube channel, youtube.com/appmall. GiveMeApps is the world's #1 independent app store. Download any Android app. Check out our iPhone and Windows Phone showcases. If you're a developer, check this out. You pay no developer fees. You get to keep up to 100% of your profits and withdraw your earnings via PayPal whenever you want. No app store anywhere. Let's do that. Once again, Battery Pro by Tintin. We hope you enjoyed this review as much as we did, guys. Till next time.